Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arway trik ujemang, ka yeng syari bahakli do jong kajala, ka Meghalaya High Court kalayo yu Chief Justice Batamai, Yaqoob Mir, ubadai Chief Justice Bamenchua jong Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Yaqoob Mir lapan semai henne kasngi kum Chief Justice Bapura jong ka Meghalaya High Court, daulat kajala Ganga Prasad, ha ka yeng sa jong hapo Raj Bhavan. Rengkat kajiran lang kiwede kinong bishar, kiriu pokmat kajala, kinong mikmat, bat ki officer jong kinat sarkar baper kani kajala. Hadien kajing syem smai kumu Chief Justice Batamai jong kani kajala, Yaqoob Mir, ha kajing kran bat kilat patai kubor, ulapan pau ba udan katong ban penkloy, ha ka ba bishar ki mukaddama baper ki badang sa teng hadu mentah.
To faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will do and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or fear, affection or ill, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Is to do justice, to encourage dispensation of justice, and to develop the infrastructure, to ensure that justice reaches to everyone at doorstep. We try to see that something better is done. We will ensure, we try our level best to see that justice is delivered speedily.